Hello everyone, I'm KV and today I will be telling you the plan of Sony of Spider-Verse movies till 2030. So watch the full video, but first please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. So guys, we know that Sony is making its own Spider-Verse which will be as big as MCU if it is executed properly, and it will include many Spider-Man characters. Now as far as 2021 is concerned, there is only one movie slated to release in it, with Morbius being postponed as well as Venom 2. So Spider-Man No Way Home will release in December 2021. Now some people might say that Spider-Man No Way Home is an MCU movie, and yes, I agree, but it is also a movie of Sony Pictures universe of Marvel characters, as Sony has the plans to introduce Tom Holland's Spider-Man in their universe and go face to face with Venom. As Morbius and Venom 2 got postponed, now in 2022 both the films will release in it, and Morbius may release in the first quarter of 2022 and Venom 2 may release in July 2022. And with that, this Sony Spider-Verse also include the Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse movies. So in October 2022, Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse 2 is slated to release. Going further in 2023, a Spider-Man movie will release in the year, as Olivia Wilde is confirmed to direct a Spider-Woman movie, and with that, the fourth part of Tom Holland's Spider-Man movies will also release as per the tradition. Now, if the rumors are taken to be true, then Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield may have a cameo in Spider-Man No Way Home, and if they have signed the contract, it may include their solo films also. And many websites confirm that Spider-Man 4 of Sam Raimi and The Amazing Spider-Man 3 will happen. So, I will take a guess and say Spider-Man 4 of Sam Raimi will release in 2024, and also Kraven the Hunter movie will release in the same year as rumored earlier. And the second part of Morbius may also hit the theaters in the same year. And in 2025, Andrew Garfield's The Amazing Spider-Man 3 will release as per the rumors, and also the fifth movie of Tom Holland's Spider-Man may release. Now adding to that, Venom 3 might get a release in 2025, as Tom Hardy has the contract of 3 movies. And the next year, 2026, a Miles Morales solo live action movie may hit the theaters, as he is supposed to debut in the MCU. And with that, the sequel to Olivia Wilde's Spider-Man movie may also release in 2026. And with that, Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse also could hit the theaters. And in 2027, Tom Holland's Spider-Man will get its sixth part, which could be the movie of Spider-Man vs. the Sinister Six, and also Black Cat or Silver Sable movie also could release in the same year. Going further in 2028, Spider-Man 2099 may release because it is a character that many fans want to see in the live action, and Miles Morales' solo film sequel may also release in the theaters. Now in 2029, the third part of Spider-Woman movie could also release, as well as Tom Holland's seventh part of Spider-Man, as Sony is planning to make 9 films with Tom Holland. In 2030, we may get a big team-up movie of all of these characters, which includes Toby, Andrew, Tom Spider-Man, Miles Morales, Spider-Woman, Spider-Man 2099, Black Cat, Venom, Spider-Gwen, etc. to battle with the big army of villains. Now guys, this is just an assumptions and predictions as per the inside reports and plans of Sony. It may differ slightly because of the current situation, but the basic plan will be the same. So guys, let me know your opinions of the video in the comment box, and also please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. I'm KV signing off for today.